Did you know North Texas has an estimated 7,000 plus roofing contractors operating in the area? Hearing this figure has consumers wondering, how do I know which roofers are reputable? We see this all too often. Mr. Thomas had an insurance claim and contracted a family friend. He signed an agreement for repairs and assumed the contractor would provide quality workmanship. Unfortunately, Mr. Thomas had hidden damage. And because the roofer he chose cut corners and shingled right over old materials, they never saw rotted sheets of decking. Within weeks of his roof replacement, Mr. Thomas had more issues than before due to leaks and water damage from rotted decking. He now had to pay more out of pocket for repairs, all because he chose a contractor he thought he could trust. We find that roofers use materials that are cheap and lack durability. In contrast, High Performance offers high-impact rated roofing systems that last, giving you peace of mind all year round. We can position you for insurance discounts, tax credits, complimentary upgrades, and peace of mind. With our best value guarantee, the trusted name in North Texas, discover why we are High Performance. Click the button below to receive free upgrades that other roofers charge extra for.